H5P integration in Moodle 3.9. H5P can now be added directly into Moodle 3.9 courses. A content bank allows H5P to be created, edited and reused. H5P connects to the gradebook and supports activity completion. In this course, our teacher wants to create new H5P to add to his course, so from the content bank in the navigation drawer, he clicks Add, selects the type of activity and creates it. From this content bank, he can access and edit H5P files added to that course. With the editing turned on, and note the prominent Turn Editing On button, he selects H5P from the new activity chooser. He can then access his new activity from the content bank in the file picker, or he can go directly to the content bank to browse, manage and create new H5P. He then selects the H5P options, attempt tracking where available, and which attempt for calculating the final grade. And here, student Mark is viewing his attempts, hopefully aiming to do better next time. To summarise, H5P can be created directly in Moodle 3.9, a content bank is available and H5P can be graded.